So the next thing we're going to look at here, guys, is completing the square of a quadratic, or basically how you want to think about it is converting a polynomial form, that is ax squared plus bx plus c, to the turning point form, which of course is a lot easier to graph, which we've done, which is our a bracket x minus h squared plus k form. Okay? And so with that in mind, we're going to be completing the square. And so we're going to have a look at this little example here, which is express y equals x squared plus 4x plus 1 in the turning point by completing the square there. Okay, so to complete the square, what do we do? Well, remember that every quadratic is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Yeah. And so in order to complete a square, what you need to do is you need to both add and subtract b over 2 all squared. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, I'll show you right now. So in our equation, we don't need that, but y there, but x squared plus 4x plus 1. That's our equation, y equals that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take the b term, right? Ax squared plus bx, so that in this case is going to be 4, so that's going to be our b term. What we're going to do is we are now going to make this equal to x squared plus 4x plus, or 4 over 2 squared is going to be 16 over 4, 16 over 4 plus 16 over 4 minus 16 over 4 plus 1. And for those in the know, we're going to get x squared plus 4x plus 16 over 4, 16 divided by 4 is going to be plus 4 minus 4 plus 1. And to complete the square, the last thing we need to do is sort of imagine brackets. That's our favorite band, of course. Imagine brackets. What we're going to do is we are going to take this stuff inside the red bracket and treat it like a quadratic. And so what are the factors of 4 that would add or subtract to give us 4? Well, this involves understanding the factors of 4, which are going to be 4 and 1. I think 1 gives us 4. 2 times 4 also gives us 4, but then also 2 and 2. And that, 2 plus 2, is 4. So that's going to be our answer there. So we're going to get x plus 2